In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo into Smartsheet. We'll walk through this together, step by step, so by the end you'll know exactly how to place your company logo or any image on a Smartsheet dashboard. First, open your browser and go to your Smartsheet account, then navigate to the project sheet you're working with. You want to be on the main sheet that's associated with your project. Once that sheet is open, look for the option or tab that takes you to the project dashboard. Go ahead and click into the project dashboard so you're viewing the actual dashboard layout, not just the underlying grid. On the dashboard, move your mouse toward the area where you'd like the logo to appear. This is usually somewhere at the top, like a header area, but you can place it wherever makes sense for your layout. You'll see a highlighted area or a plus style indicator where you can add new content. Click on that highlighted area to start adding a new widget. When the widget options appear, you're looking for the one that allows you to add an image. In Smartsheet, this is presented as the option to add a company logo or any other image to your dashboard. Select that option. This tells Smartsheet that you're creating an image widget that will hold your logo. A new panel will open where you can choose the image source. Click on Select Image. You'll see different options for where to pull the image from. In this case, choose Upload from Computer. That will open a file picker window on your device. Now, browse to the folder where your logo file is saved. It's best if your logo is a clear, high-quality image, such as a PNG or JPEG, and ideally with a transparent background if you want it to blend nicely with the dashboard. Click on the file you want to use, then confirm the selection so it uploads into Smartsheet. Once the image has uploaded, you'll see a preview inside the widget settings. If everything looks good, click Save to apply the image to the dashboard. After saving, your logo will appear in the dashboard layout. From here, you can click on the image area again to adjust its size or position if needed. Drag the edges to resize and move it around until it fits comfortably with the rest of your dashboard content. When you're happy with how it looks, your logo is now successfully added to your Smartsheet dashboard.